today for dinner I have decided to make Bulgarian meatballs, or as we say kyufteta, with some lemony potatoes that are going to be baked in the oven. So for ingredients I have meat, which is ground beef. I have 2 eggs that are going to go into the meat mixture, plus some parsley, some grated onion, some garlic, and for the potatoes we're gonna have lemon, olive oil, some of the savory that I like to use, oregano, a little bit of Dijon mustard, and of course salt and pepper. I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese in the potatoes. I think it will be delicious. Ready to combine our meatball mixture. I have my meat, I have a cup of milk, cup and a half of panko, my parsley, I have my eggs and grated onion, grated garlic, and then savory, salt, pepper, and a bit of mint for freshness. Getting everything into the bowl. I'm adding my garlic, my onions, grated, my whole milk, 1 cup. This will help tenderize the meat. I'm going to add a bit of Parmesan, my parsley, panko to hold everything together, cup and a half. And finally, I have my savory, 2 teaspoons, salt, pepper, and a bit of mint. And now we mix. Get in there and really mix everything together really well. It's very satisfying. Mix for about 10-15 minutes. That's my recommendation. How do you know the mixture is ready? Well, there is a test after you mix it for 10-15 minutes. And that's when you pick up a piece and it sticks to your hand. See, it doesn't stick to my hand yet. Ain't ready. My arms are about to fall off, but I think we're getting there. Look at this. It's not falling off. That's your test. Let it rest in the fridge for about an hour. Guys, we are ready to put everything together. So I have my meatballs. Remember to use wet hands when turning them into round balls, or you could make them elongated. But the idea now is to season my potatoes, which I will need a half cup of olive oil. I have the juice of 1 lemon. Always make sure you have a nice ripe lemon, makes it easier. I'm gonna do just a squirt of Dijon mustard. It makes the flavor richer. And I have 2 cups of chicken bouillon. So this is going to all be poured all over the top. And I have my herbs, which are again savory. I have cumin, about a 1/4 teaspoon. I have my salt. Let's mix everything for good measure. And this will make the dish quite fresh, which is appropriate for the summer. Last but not least, I want to have my chicken bouillon. 2 cups, just make sure that the potatoes have about 1 inch of water or are half covered. Once again, we're gonna mix them. This is gonna bake in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And here is the star of the show. We just arranged the meatballs on top. We will cover this with foil. And after 40 to 45 minutes, we will take it out, remove the foil, put it back in for another 30 to 40 minutes, and hopefully get a nice color all over the top. Here it is. I think we're done.